Imagine creating bakery-style cakes, fresh bread, and unforgettable desserts without fighting with messy bowls or exhausting hand mixing. In this video, we reveal the top 7 the best stand mixer options that can bring power, precision, and creativity into your kitchen. Stay until the end, and check the links below to find your perfect baking partner. Holding number 7 KitchenAid 7 Quart is a mixer built for those moments when ordinary kitchen tools simply cannot keep up. Which bowl lift stand mixer is designed for passionate bakers who are tired of limited space, inconsistent mixing, and the struggle of handling heavy dough by hand. The moment you place a large batch of ingredients into its spacious 7-quart stainless steel bowl, you can feel the difference between a standard mixer and a machine created for serious baking. With 11 speed settings, it gives you the control to gently fold delicate ingredients or power through demanding dough recipes with confidence. The double flex edge beater helps reach more areas of the bowl, creating smoother and more consistent results while reducing the need to stop and scrape constantly. This stand mixer is perfect for home bakers who love making large batches of cookies, bread, cakes, and desserts for family and friends. Its bowl lift design provides excellent stability during tougher mixing tasks, making the entire process feel more controlled and professional. Compared with smaller mixers, it offers more capacity and strength, although its larger size may feel unnecessary for someone who only bakes occasionally. But for creators who see baking as more than just a hobby, this machine delivers the confidence to take on bigger recipes and more ambitious creations. Now moving forward, number 6 GE Profile 7 Quart. A smart kitchen is not only about saving time, it is about removing the small frustrations that stand between you and the perfect recipe. Which smart stand mixer brings technology into the baking experience for those who want more precision, consistency, and control every time they mix. Many bakers know the disappointment of uneven textures, inaccurate measurements, or a mixer struggling when recipes become more demanding. This model focuses on solving those challenges with intelligent features designed to make baking feel smoother and more predictable. Its built-in smart scale helps reduce guesswork, while AutoSense technology works toward maintaining more controlled mixing performance. The advanced digital motor provides steady power for everything from thick dough to lighter whipped mixtures, while reverse mode adds convenience when working with sticky or challenging ingredients. Instead of simply being another countertop appliance, this mixer feels like a modern baking assistant that helps you focus more on creativity and less on correcting mistakes. Ideal for serious home bakers, recipe explorers, and anyone who enjoys experimenting in the kitchen, the GE Profile 7 Quart offers a unique combination of innovation and performance. Compared with traditional mixers, it brings a smarter approach to baking, although some casual users may find the extra technology more than they actually need. For those who want a future-ready stand mixer that blends digital intelligence with everyday baking power, this option creates a more confident and enjoyable kitchen experience. Let's keep the momentum going. We have the number 5 Smeg 600 Watt. Is where timeless design meets the heart of baking. Which stand mixer is created for those who believe a kitchen appliance should not only perform beautifully but also become part of the atmosphere of their home. Many bakers want a mixer that feels exciting to use, yet they often face problems like uneven blending, messy starts, and machines that struggle when recipes become more challenging. This mixer answers those frustrations with a direct drive motor, smooth start technology, and planetary mixing action designed to combine ingredients more thoroughly. With 10 speed levels, it gives you the flexibility to move from gentle whipping to more demanding dough preparation, while the 5-quart stainless steel bowl provides enough room for everyday family recipes. Every detail feels intentional, from the smooth operation to the eye-catching retro-inspired design that adds personality to your countertop. Compared with more traditional-looking mixers, Smeg creates a different experience by combining reliable performance with a distinctive visual style. This stand mixer is ideal for passionate bakers, dessert lovers, and anyone who wants their kitchen tools to feel as inspiring as the recipes they create. While larger capacity mixers may be better suited for frequent bulk baking, Smeg delivers a balance of beauty and capability that makes everyday baking feel more enjoyable. It is not just about mixing ingredients, it is about creating a kitchen experience you actually look forward to. The next at the number 4 Ooni 7.3 Quart. The mixer takes a completely different approach, focusing on one of the most important parts of baking: creating the perfect dough. Which spiral mixer A machine designed for bakers who dream of bakery-quality bread and restaurant-style pizza made right at home. Instead of simply blending ingredients together, this mixer focuses on developing smoother, stronger dough with a more specialized mixing process. Its spiral mixing technology uses a rotating bowl, spiral dough hook, and breaker bar to help create better gluten development, giving bread and pizza dough a texture that feels closer to professional results. With 58 precision speed settings, experienced bakers gain impressive control over their recipes, while the included beater and whisk expand its ability beyond dough into cakes, cookies, and whipped creations. This mixer is perfect for pizza enthusiasts, bread makers, and serious home bakers who care deeply about texture and consistency. Compared with traditional planetary mixers, Ooni's biggest strength is its dedication to dough mastery rather than being focused on maximum attachment variety. Some casual bakers may find its specialized design more than they need, but for anyone chasing that perfect homemade crust or beautifully developed bread dough, this machine brings professional techniques into a home kitchen. And if you are building your dream baking setup, make sure to check the links in the description, where you can find these mixers and compare the options that match your cooking style and budget. Now let's move to the next contender. We have the number 3 KitchenAid 5 Quart. Is a classic kitchen companion that has earned its place in countless homes by turning simple ingredients into memorable creations. Which stand mixer is designed for bakers who want dependable performance, versatile features, and a size that fits comfortably into everyday cooking routines. Many home bakers know the frustration of weak hand mixers, messy preparation, and inconsistent results, but this mixer brings a more enjoyable experience with its durable metal construction, tilt head design, and 10-speed control. Whether you are preparing soft cake batter, fresh cookie dough, or homemade bread, the 5 Quart stainless steel bowl provides the flexibility needed for a wide range of recipes. The included dough hook, flat beater, and wire whip allow you to handle different baking tasks without needing multiple appliances taking over your countertop. The tilt head design also makes adding ingredients and changing attachments simple, creating a smoother workflow when you are deep into a recipe. This mixer is ideal for beginners, passionate home bakers, and families who enjoy creating homemade treats regularly. Compared with larger 7-quart bowl lift models, it takes up less space and feels more approachable for everyday use, although people who frequently prepare extremely large batches may want additional capacity. With a proven design, reliable performance, and a reputation built around versatility, the KitchenAid 5 Quart remains a trusted choice for anyone who wants baking to feel less like a chore and more like a creative experience. Let's kick things off with the number 2 Cuisinart 500 Watt. A great stand mixer does more than combine ingredients. It removes the stress from baking and gives you the freedom to focus on the final creation. A powerful option built for home bakers who want strength, flexibility, and dependable performance without moving into professional level equipment. Many cooks struggle with mixers that shake during heavy mixing, offer limited speed control, or simply cannot handle thicker recipes, but this model is designed to bring confidence back into the kitchen. Powered by a 500-watt motor, this mixer delivers the strength needed for demanding recipes, while its die-cast metal construction provides a solid and stable feel during operation. The 5.5 quart stainless steel bowl gives you generous space for family-sized recipes, and the 12 precision speed settings allow better control whether you are gently combining ingredients, whipping cream, or working with heavier dough. The tilt-back head makes the process even easier by providing quick access when adding ingredients or changing attachments. This mixer is a strong match for everyday bakers, bread enthusiasts, and creative cooks who want one appliance capable of handling multiple tasks. The included whisk, dough hook, flat paddle, and splash guard help expand its versatility, making it ready for everything from desserts to homemade bread. Compared with other options in this category, Cuisinart offers a great balance of capacity, power, and practical features, although some users may prefer KitchenAid's wider attachment ecosystem and long-established reputation. And before moving to the final choice, remember to check the links in the description to compare prices, availability, and the best options for your own baking style. The right stand mixer is not just another appliance, it is the tool that can help turn your kitchen ideas into something you can actually create. And finally, taking the spot on our list, we have the number 1 Smeg 5 Quart. is a mixer that proves a kitchen appliance can be both a powerful tool and a beautiful centerpiece. Which stand mixer is designed for bakers who want more than just performance. They want an appliance that makes every baking moment feel special. Many home cooks struggle with mixers that lack power, create uneven results, or feel uninspiring on the countertop, but Smeg brings together elegant design and dependable capability to create a more enjoyable experience. Underneath its premium appearance is a capable 750-watt motor with steady mix speed stability and planetary mixing action, helping ingredients combine smoothly and consistently. Its 5-quart stainless steel bowl provides enough space for everyday baking projects, while 10-speed settings give you the flexibility to handle everything from gentle whipping to kneading heavier dough. The flex edge beater helps improve ingredient incorporation by reaching more of the bowl's sides, reducing the need for constant manual scraping. This mixer is ideal for passionate home bakers, creative dessert makers, and anyone who believes their kitchen tools should inspire them. Compared with other models, Smeg delivers a more premium visual identity and strong motor performance, although KitchenAid offers a wider attachment ecosystem for those who want maximum expansion. For bakers who see every recipe as a creative experience, the Smeg 5-quart adds elegance, confidence, and personality to the entire. After exploring all 7 options, one mixer stands above the rest by combining the features that serious bakers need most: power, capacity, stability, and versatility. The KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer earns the winner position because it is built for those moments when your baking ambitions become bigger than a standard mixer can handle. Whether you are preparing large cookie batches, working with heavy bread dough, or creating family-sized desserts, this machine is designed to handle demanding recipes with confidence. Its spacious 7-quart bowl, strong bowl lift design, and 11-speed settings provide the control needed for everything from gentle ingredient folding to powerful kneading. The stable 3-point locking bowl design helps keep the mixer secure during tougher tasks, while the double flex edge beater improves mixing consistency by helping incorporate ingredients more thoroughly. Unlike smaller mixers that may feel limited when recipes grow larger, this model gives you the freedom to experiment, create, and bake without constantly worrying about capacity. For anyone looking for a premium stand mixer that can support years of baking adventures, the KitchenAid 7-quart is the complete package. It is not just a machine sitting on your countertop, it is a reliable partner that helps turn simple ingredients into something memorable. If you want professional-style performance, long-term value, and the confidence to take on almost any recipe, this is the stand mixer worth bringing into your kitchen. So guys, this was our review of the top 7 the best stand mixer options. All product links are available in the description, so check them out and choose the one that matches your baking style. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more premium kitchen appliance guides. Until next time, keep creating, keep baking, and let your kitchen tell your story.